walking the trail trying to collect tinders for tinder bundles just to have. Looking for different things. Yeah, that water's up. Way up.
Big old blue hand just came back in up here.
Just get out in the woods. Work all week and don't want to sit in the house all weekend. Well, we did find ourselves one chunk of fat wood. Like to get some more. You can see the redness in it. And we found a grapevine. Going to start pulling the strippings off of it. Start your firewood. Now we found a standing pine. Listen, I don't know how well we'll find some it looks dead. Let me see that saw and you can go ahead and shoot.
You got the saw?
No, I don't.
I got the saw. I don't know how I got it back.
I handed it back. No, too piney. Usually it would smell like formaldehyde. Yep, it's not. We ain't gonna find nothing on that one. Right, we'll keep looking. We're out behind my mother's place and my son's place, where I've hunted almost all my life, and the boy's hunted here all his life. Dang mosquitoes. I don't know if any of you can see that. Don't look like bear dropping, or deer dropping. Looks like more like a bear or coon, but that thing must be about 2.5 inches in diameter. I think it'd be one big coon. But we're looking for the artesian well. We know there was one back in here. Someone had a water line ran back here in a natural spring. And we're seeing if we can find it. And we ran across that. So if one of you can tell what it is, tell us what it is.
Go around.
We were listening for the water. Yeah, right there's the pipe. Yeah. As you can see it there. We're going to go around because it's pretty thick. It's constant water running. Been this way for years. Yeah, been this way for years. You can see them mold on it. What's it kind of taste like?
Tastes like nice clean water.
Yeah, it does.
Must be a spring under here.
Yeah, they must have drilled, because they were going to put house back in here, but I don't think it passed for septic. But I think they drilled.
Past perk.
Yeah.
Like that's.
So We're going to try and open it up so we can get back in here. Maybe even take a little sample sometime and see.
Take it up, get it tested.
Yeah, have it tested and see, and if it is, then we'll...
We got the fair this week, they do the free water testing.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Pull that moss off of the spigot. Clean that off. Been there for a long time.
It's so cold, dude, man. It's freezing.
Yeah. Not bad, is it?
No, it's cold. Keep your hand under there a minute.
Oh, that's cold. That's real cold. Nice and clear. I don't see no debris rolling around in it. Got that fresh taste to it, you know. There's no... Almost like the well water, you know, out of the sink at home at Mom's, your guys' place. Yeah, we're gonna open up a little trail so we can get back in here. Be a little easier to recall where it's at. And I'll mark it down on the net for artesian well, marker well.
Find what we need on the neighbor's tree.
Yeah, we get almost back to the house and look what we found. Big old nodule of pine pitch. Just need to find something to stuff it in. Me and the boy decided to take a hike, start doing some bushcrafting. We're going to find a spot to where we can take a sit-down break and try our luck at fire starting. We found ourselves a bird nest. It had kind of dry tinders, but it was the center was too damp. Found it on the ground, which is not good. But as you can see, this little bottle of Perel hand sanitizer had enough alcohol in it to where we squirted some on a piece of bark, added twigs, leaves, and did start it with our what are those called again?
Ferro rods.
Ferro rod. But we were getting chewed up by mosquitoes. So we said we need to start and get some smoke going here, and yeah, it spooked them away, which is nice. Now we can spend a little more time up in here since he forgot and I did the bug repellent, and we do come prepared if we need it. He's got a nice rucksack. I just got a cheap little fucker. I need to get a better one. But so we tried our hand. We found some more dead bark on it looks like a birch. Dead standing. Been using that to feed the fire and make smoke. But if you ever need, if it's damp enough out that you can't get a fire started and you did find some dry stuff and can't find no kindling, that's what you want to use. Use the Perel. Make the fire underneath it.
They kicked me out of Pennsylvania, and I'm living on the road with my beat up old cigar box. Folks, they call me Tommy Joe, smoking up behind the dumpster at the local Dairy Queen. Her parfait, it was peanut butter. She told me she was 17. One little toke, I won't hurt nobody. But just before she took that puff, her daddy came around the corner. That's when shit started getting rough, and they kicked me out of Pennsylvania, and I'm living on the road with my beat up old cigar box. Folks, they call me Tommy Joe. My cigar box is El Producto. Brother, that ain't what's inside. One little bag costs $20 though, and I trade it to you for a ride. 'Cause there's a couch for me in Brooklyn at the home of my friend Joe. There's plenty left in my cigar box. Joe's got a lot of friends, you know, and they kicked me out of Pennsylvania, and I'm living on the road with my beat up old cigar box. Folks, they call me Tommy Joe. They kicked me out of Pennsylvania, on the road with my beat up old cigar box. Folks, they call me Tommy Joe. Yeah. Thank you.
And for dinner. I'm impressed this thing's still running 15 minutes. That's good.
One thing about that.
Yeah, we can always ground the tent until we have the.
Yeah, I do too. I mean, I don't mind that. Just I really rather.
Yeah, I'd rather try that myself, but well, we just broke camp. Work our way back to the car. He gets to lead us out. I let us in. Huh? Oh, that's a hell of a widowmaker. Yep. One thing you do when you're walking through the woods. look up the way you want to go. You never know what's going to be above you. Yeah, cool. Whoa!
You tricky little...
You almost got him. He almost got walked right through that. Tarzan vine.
Made it.
And there comes a car.
How did we get on the other side of the ravine now? That's what I want to know.
Yeah, we did, didn't we?
Unless that little bed of tree bed turned into that ravine.
Yeah, well, that's a possibility, yeah. Yeah, where we're located is just north of Custards off of 285 on the other side of Geneva Swamp.